Hi, TJ Caulfield here. I'm the instructor for the Intro to Forensic Science class, CRJ 165 here at Elgin Community College. And the reason I'm dressed up like this today in a poncho and goggles is because today's topic is actually blood spatter analysis. Now, blood spatter has become popular from a lot of TV shows like Dexter and so forth. And today what we've done is applied fake blood to a sponge here, which I've then struck with a hammer several times to create this pattern of blood spatter on these pieces of cardboard. And what we'll be doing later on in class today is taking measurements of this pattern and using it to figure out the point of origin of the blood. It's actually pretty simple. When I mention it to the students, they get a little bit afraid, especially those that aren't good at math, but it's some very simple trigonometry functions that you can use to actually figure out not only the direction, which these linear paths that the spatter is making, these patterns that you can see here, these would indicate that the blood was traveling in an upward direction. But aside from that, you can actually measure each and every one of these individual droplets to then figure out what angle the blood struck the wall from. So not only the direction, but also the distance off of the wall. And then by measuring multiple points, you're actually able to figure out a point of origin, because it's usually where all of these different paths meet up in one particular place. So later on in class today, I'll be having the students measure these out, and we'll draw out some strings to try to figure out what the point of origin is. Clearly, the viewers here can kind of cheat because you know where the sponge is, but I'll be removing the sponge for when the students arrive. So if this kind of stuff interests you, check us out. It's Intro to Forensic Science, CRJ 165 here at Elgin Community College.